So we're back with another video, and guess what? We're up in the beat now. If you're a true muncher and you're about that munch life, not just the average foodie with all this COVID and all that going on, you can't rely on food from outside.
No
obviously
way.
we're still going to go out and eat, and obviously in the past few videos you've been watching us eating out in Dubai, but now it's time to up the beat. And now we're going to start off with our home cooked chicken curry. So what do we have here then?
So we have 2 tablespoons of grated garlic, we have 2 tablespoons of grated ginger, 4 bird's eye green chilies, fresh coriander finely chopped by our lovely chef here, 4 bay leaves, 8 cardamom pods, 4 cinnamon, so it's roughly an inch in size.
And the tomatoes are cut in wedges. They're going to go at the end for like sort of a garnish.
And then we have 2 medium-sized onions.
Sliced. We have chicken here.
And then we have all the spices here.
And this is all Indian spices, basically, they're ground powder ones.
And we'll go through how much we add as we're cooking.
We've got vegetable oil, about half a cup, 4 tablespoons should be fine. Salt, that's going to be to taste, but we'll give you a rough idea when we're adding it. Lemon juice and tomato puree. Let's go, champ. Half a cup of oil. We want to get the warm spices in, and that's the cardamom, that's the bay leaves, and that's the cinnamon cassia butter. So we should have a nice fragrance from the oil, and this then will go and infuse the onions and into the gravy. Let's give that a little stir. We really want about a minute or so, 30 seconds a minute, and as you can see they start changing colour. And oh, if you guys could smell this right now, the fragrance here is unbelievable. Now guys, we go in with the onions. And guys, at this stage, what I'm going to do is basically add a bit of salt. You want to soften them, just a sprinkle.
Okay.
And that's because I want it to loosen up a little bit, release a bit of the moisture and soften up. We'll get more of a nice golden colour on it faster. I'm just going to turn the heat down to a medium heat, and then I'm going to go in with, in you go.
And that was 2 tablespoons, wasn't it?
2 tablespoons, yeah, just a reminder. Go and take a leap. There you go.
So 2 tablespoons of each ginger and garlic.
Chef stir.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
You know RJ loves all of that.
Yeah. Get it in there. Now, now is where the real smell's coming out.
It smells
the
amazing.
ginger and garlic is what really tops up the onions, the warming spices, you know, the whole spices.
So weird, but I'm feeling hungry already, and this is only just onions, ginger and garlic and warm spices.
That's what it's all about. That's what the munch life is about.
So how long are we going to do this for?
We're going to fry this now for about, say, another 5 minutes, because what we're trying to do is get that rawness, this is like a raw smell and taste in the garlic and ginger. We just want to get that out, but we don't want to fry it too much, guys, because sometimes when you over fry garlic and ginger, it loses a bit of the taste.
And so we want that taste still to be.
We want a bit of that freshness as well. If you can smell these caramelized onions, what a beautiful smell. Nice colour. This is going to give us maximum flavour. We're going for about almost a teaspoon of about 3/4 turmeric. We're going definitely 2 nice teaspoons of coriander. Cumin, 1 teaspoon. Chili, now this is up to you. 1 is a standard average. We like a touch bit spicier, so we're going to go with 2.
So we're upping the beat, guys.
We're upping the beat, guys. If you want to up the beat, you need to handle the heat. And then I'm going with mixed curry powder, Madras hot. And this is garam masala teaspoon. I'm going with 2 teaspoons, well 3 teaspoons of salt because it's a big portion. But you can go with 2 on average. But salt to taste, guys. Just want to get them spices all marrying together. Don't fry it too long, because you want to get some water in there fairly soon, like within like 30 seconds or so. Because if the spices burn, they'll really taste bitter. So there you go. Now that's gonna cook for a while, and all the masalas, all the spices, everything's just gonna blend in with each other, and they're gonna cook. Let's have a look. And then what we want to do now, so we're going to get that in, then what we can do is increase the heat back to a low medium. Okay guys, so I'm going to go in with a tablespoon of tomato puree. Using the same spoon, we'll go in with about 1, 2, 3, about 4 tablespoons lemon juice, 3 to 4 tablespoons of lemon juice depending on how much of a tang you want, and then just get that all in. It's normally better to mix the tomato puree in a bit of hot water just so that it just goes in nicely, but because I've already got water in the pan, we can go straight in. Okay, so now we're going to let that cook, guys. Looking beautiful. Wow, look at that. But just keep an eye on it because you don't want it to get stuck and you don't want it to dry out. Now, all I'm waiting for is, as you can see, the oil. I just want it to separate. Now, if you guys could smell this, you'd be shocked. Alright guys, this is what we're after. As you can see, the oil separating. That means all the spices, all the flavors have all sort of started to marry together. Nice little mix. There we go. I find using a spatula always is helpful because the metal spoons tend to break the chicken and the spatula just kind of lifts it and turns it. We want to leave it covered for about 10 minutes. We want the stock to release from the chicken so we get a bit of gravy, and then we'll add the water afterwards. Ooh, look at those flavors. It's only been about 10 minutes, guys. We still need this to cook for 25 minutes in total. This is where I'm going to go in with the water now. So I'm going to say about a whole glass of water because this is going to be a saucy dish. Give it a mix and make sure if anything did get caught at the bottom, it comes right off. And now it's time to go in with the whole bird's eye green chilies and the tomato wedges. Just put the heat on low just because I want the oil to rise, and then I'll add in the coriander. As most of the oil has risen, I'm going to add the coriander now, sprinkle it everywhere. You can give a nice garnish and it brings out the look. And this now will finish it all off. As I said, guys, we tried to keep this one quite basic and easy for everyone. Give it a little tuck just to make sure all the coriander touches the sauce, and then we can switch it off.
Okay guys, so we've let it sit for 10 minutes now, and just check it out. It looks absolutely amazing, and I have no doubt it's going to taste just as amazing as it looks. Oh my gosh, and check out the chilies and the tomatoes. The colour is just amazing as well, and I can't wait to dig into this. So guys, I'm going to dish this up now so RJ can do a taste test. After leaving it to rest for a good 10-15 minutes, this is the end product. Alright guys, this is the moment of truth, the best time. Grab that nice hefty piece of breast and then get some sauce on there. Look at that.
Look at that, see, it's nice. Look at the consistency, nice and runny.
Exactly, but it's not too runny and it's not too thick at the same time, right?
Yeah. Look at how moist the chicken is. This is chicken breast. When you cook it for 25 minutes the way I did with the heat.
Moment of truth.
Here we go, you can see all the coriander. Oh my god.
How does it taste, RJ?
Unbelievable. Oh my god, the chicken is so juicy and moist. Oh my god. And now, as I said, we like spicy, and traditionally it's nice to have a bit of raw onion and green chili. However, you can have nice salads as well, which we will be having soon. RJ
is just making me super duper hungry right now.
Nice crunch on.
Oh my gosh.
One more, and then I will be sharing. Oh my god, I've got the salt and everything bang on. So.
Is it good? Oh, with green chili as well.
Go. This is what you have to do. I'll tell you what has, and you definitely will need a bite.
I'm going in with a big chunk of chicken there. Let's do it.
Oh my god, I tasted it, so I know the flavour. I can taste all that ginger.
No, I can taste it.
That was a perfect amount of ginger as well.
So delicious.
All the cinnamon, cardamom. Oh my god, the bay leaf. Have a bite of the onion and chili.
Oh my god, I am literally finishing this. This was just meant to be a taste test, but I think I'm just going.
You know how we do, true munchers? It's about that munch life.
Oh my god.
Just remember, this is just a basic part of the cooking show. Wait till you see in the future what's to come. This is coming soon in a future video.
We are
Bangladeshi rohu fish. Nicely marinated fried fish. Spices just sizzling up.
Oh yeah.
Alright guys, so that's it for this video. If you like the munch, punch the like. And don't forget to subscribe and share with munchers out there.
And the bell button.
Ding ding.